Welcome to the Tracksha platform. In this video, you will learn how the Geofence feature helps you monitor your vehicle activity. Geofence is a virtual boundary on the map. You get an alert when your vehicle enters or exits this area. To create a geofence, go to the Settings section from the dashboard. Then select Geofence from the list. Here you can see all your created geofences. To create a new geofence, click on the Create button. Now the map screen will open. Here you can define your geofence area. Select the zone type from the panel. Choose Restricted Geofence or Safe Geofence. In Restricted Geofence, you will get an alert when your device enters the selected restricted area. In Safe Geofence, you will get an alert when your device exits the defined safe area. Enter the zone name. Give a name to your geofence. Select the drawing option. You can choose square or circle. Select square to draw a custom area. Tap on the map to create points. Select circle to create a circular area. Tap on the map to set the center. Adjust the area by dragging on the map. Resize or move it as needed. Click on Save to create the geofence. Now your geofence is successfully created. You can view it in the geofence list. You can view, edit, or delete it from the geofence list. To receive alerts for your geofence, go to the Settings section. Then open the Alert section from the list. Click on Create to add a new alert. Select Geofence as the alert type. Enter the alert name, then select your geofence. Now add your device to receive alerts. Make sure notification is enabled to receive alerts. If notifications are disabled, you will not receive any alerts. Click on Save to create the alert. This is how you can receive Geofence alerts. Geofence helps you monitor and control your vehicles. Use it for better safety and tracking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Tracksha support team.